Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery on Insta360 X5. I actually have a second battery, so I'm gonna take it out of the case. And you can see it's right here. I can take it. And if I want to replace the one that's here with a different one, I need to first take it out. So let's squeeze these two locks. It's gonna jump out automatically. It's really great. Then take the other battery, make sure the pins will align. So the pins here are here at the bottom, so I'll need to align them like that. Then click it in so none of the sides shows red. And now the battery is replaced. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.